Hello friends. Vanakkam, Vandanam, Namaste, Namaskar. Bhagavati Isakimuthu from Mumbai, Muthu Baba in Kanyakumari. Nifty, Bank Nifty, both movements are contrary due to HDFC Bank, Reliance, ICICI, Axis and also Reliance Industries moving contrary. Nifty IT, Nifty Bank, non-bank financial services, all are completely complicated movements. Today, last 4 days, Thursday, Friday, yesterday Monday, today Tuesday, silently moving upward from 21,800 to today 21,000 आसपास 200 plus closed, आसपास 400-500 points up, low to high level आसपास 600 points. Nifty spot today close to 22,196, 74 points up, open 22,010 above 22,000 and high level 22,215, that is totally 200 point plus, and low 22,045. Throughout the day completely moving above 22,000 is a positive factor. Last 4 days silent moving from 22,860, 21,840 level. Today high 22,215, आसपास 500 points plus from low to high. And now question, how possible it will be moving further up? Reason, from HDFC result 17,000 to 13,000, I think 74 आसपास. Yesterday also slightly positive, today nearly 2.5%. Heavy weightage. Today alone HDFC Bank contributed Nifty आसपास 60-65 points, totally 10 points others. That means some agency giving positive in HDFC Bank, and last week consolidated also HDFC Bank bought S Bank and sold something vagara vagara. That is a different issue. And yesterday and today HDFC Bank alone contributed nearly more than 100-110 points yesterday and today. Reliance already 23,000 to now 2,900 plus positive. State Bank of India last month given March contract short 635 with strict stop loss 645. Today 760 mainly contributed to Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, heavy weightage next to Reliance and HDFC Bank. Last week and this also drastically down due to profit booking in higher levels specific stocks, Infosys, Tech Mahindra, ICLS supported, some others dragged also. How it will move further up? Last week Friday, yesterday Monday, today Tuesday, open gap up nearly 30-35 points to 50 points, and slowly it is moving down and up, not violation any volatility, and finally settled 0.5-0.4-0.6%. There is a 40-70-90 point normal closed also above opening level is very positive. Tomorrow or yesterday this week, how Nifty and Bank Nifty will move? Nifty spot already all-time high today 22,250, and Bank Nifty also Nifty close to 47,094, 558 points. Main contributor State Bank of India, HDFC Bank, Reliance and some technology stocks moving up with a low 46,367 will act tomorrow very strong support and high 47,713 nearly 1,200 300 points away 1,300 400 points away from all-time high to hit any time. Then it will correct significantly up to 46,500 or 45,206 levels. This is my inner feeling. Reason: Nifty all-time high now moving, but Bank Nifty still struggling, but giving support to HDFC yesterday and today. These 2 days alone, yesterday I think 350 points up, today 500, 600 points, nearly 800, 900 up yesterday and today alone. This is the reason Nifty and Bank Nifty moving in consolidation move only. Last 5 days here moved to top level, consolidated intraday. All both Nifty and Bank Nifty hitting, moving along with the top level resistance level. So any upside is limited, but downside unlimited. So take care of. Tomorrow already given in powerful action group 47,000 resistance, 47,240, 290 and 47,320 if available short and hold 2 days, Thursday and Friday. And Nifty spot will move with limited movements up. That is a given 22,250 today high level. Yesterday also given 22 to 40, 260, 290. Today, tomorrow, Wednesday, Bank Nifty weekly option settlement. It will give Bank Nifty some jitter. Nifty also will come down, I think, from 22,260, 22,290 level if available short and hold for intraday purpose. And positional, anyway, up move is limited. I think not more than 22,390 will act very strong if available above short and hold February series. Okay. Intraday consolidated technically close to last 5 days, top line red, that's a very strong line. Every day that consolidated closing hit the top line and close to below also. At the same way, top out 2, 3 horizontal line left to right. That is every day moving up and Bank Nifty consolidated movement today close to 46,760. Cash market 47,094. Tomorrow it will act very strong support 46,760. Tomorrow Wednesday will act 46,760 with a strong resistance 47,240. Very difficult to move above this. Maybe 47,390 will act very strong resistance. Also consolidated closing chart close to 139 against the cash spot today 22,196, nearly 60 point down. That is very strong act tomorrow 22,140. Very difficult to go below this, but at the same time last 5 days higher top higher low pattern moving up from 21,860 to 21,249 today and maybe tomorrow. This also top line is a green, that is a strong resistance moving hitting that resistance level and closing or support level, that is a previous day's average rate also. So take care. Step by step moving above side also, but not clear. Today given very strong support Nifty and Bank Nifty Tomorrow maybe it will be reversed for some correction booking, profit booking in Bank Nifty. That is the State Bank of India. HDFC Bank may move up. ICICI Axis will drag down. So confirmation for Nifty will give strong resistance 22,260 on closing basis and the support 21,860. Bank Nifty it will add to 47,360 and the support level 46,870 level.